This incredible hawk eating a pigeon in my backyard. Look at this. Look how beautiful you are. Honey, don't lose your bird. Go on, you need to fly away. Take your pigeon and go. Don't lose him. Get it. Go ahead and get it. I don't want it in my yard. You can get him. I don't know if everybody can see how big it is. It's beautiful. Are you an ostrich? What are you? You're some kind of a hawk? Huh? Get the bird. Get the bird. Take your baby and go. Get it out of my yard. I want to let the doggies out. Go ahead. I won't hurt you. Go on. I'm hoping he gets his bird because I really don't want this disgusting dead animal in my yard. See, he killed it there. You know, he's up on the fence with it. Come on, don't be afraid. Hi, can you go? Get your bird and go. Get your bird. I won't bother you. Go. Dad, a good baby. It looks like he might go down and get it. Come on, go get your bird. Please go get your bird. There he goes.